Ito po tayo sa next model ng bahay. As you can see, mayroon siyang fence, which is ito, free ito, naka-promo ito ngayon, kasama yung fence. Same lang lot area, lahat yan same lang, depende lang kung corner mas malaki syempre. So again, ito po yung carport. Pwedeng dalawang car, isa rito sa cemented area, dun sa may soil area, pwede mapatong gawing extension. So you can fit in ng dalawang sasakyan. Okay. So yan ang carport niya. Then ito yung garden, basic garden na libre na rin. So pasukin natin itong model, another model house. So ito wala siyang sofa. So mas kita natin yung space sa loob. This is the living area. Lagyan ng television. And then dito yung sa part na to is the dining area. Tapos kitchen. Okay, so same lang din nung kanina. Yan, kitchen area. Okay, at dun po yung dining. Nakabalot pa yung mga furnitures. Then we go at the back to see the laundry area, or pwede natin gawing dirty kitchen. So ayan. Okay. So same lang din, tinatapos lang din ito. So may provision para sa laundry. So ito yung kanina sa may carport. Pwedeng dalawang sasakyan dito. Kasya. Okay. Get back inside. Pasok tayo. Then toilet. Ayan, okay. Toilet and bath. Then, ito yung stock room. Okay, stock room. Then, we'll go inside. Okay, yan po, no? Upstairs pala. We'll go upstairs. So, same lang po. 3 rooms. Kagaya nung kanina. Toilet and bath. Ito, medyo patapos na to. Then, ito yung first bedroom na merong cabinet. And the second bedroom, which has also a cabinet. Okay. And this is the master bedroom. Mas malaki yung cabinet niya. Dalawa yung bintana. Then, provision for the television, air condition, at dito na yung balcony. Okay.